Welcome to a quick standing stretch. In these 10 minutes, we will stretch the whole body, head to toe. Let's begin standing with feet around hip distance apart. Stand up nice and tall. Inhale, lift your shoulders up towards your ears. Exhale through the mouth, release your shoulders back and down. Inhale, circle your shoulders up. Exhale, release. One more inhale. And exhale. Inhale, reach your arms out and up, look up to your thumbs. Exhale, release the arms down, bring chin down to your chest. Inhale, circle your arms up, look up. Exhale, arms down, chin down to the chest. One more big inhale, stretch up. Exhale, release. Lift your head back to center, look to your left, then to your right, moving your head side to side. Come back to center, lower your right ear to your right shoulder, and then left ear to your left shoulder. Continue to move like this a few more times, stretching the sides of the neck. Come back to center, reach your arms up. Interlace fingers and press your palms up to the ceiling. Inhale in center. Exhale, side bend to the left. Inhale back to center. Exhale to the right. Inhale center. Exhale side bend. Keep moving with your breath, and you can keep your hands open if it feels better on your shoulders. One more round each side. Come back to center, release your arms. Then bring them up in line with shoulders. Inhale, lift your chest up, pull your arms back. Exhale, round the back, hug your shoulders, chin down to the chest. Inhale, open the arms, lift the chest. Exhale, cross your arms the other way around, hug your shoulders. One more time each side. Open, inhale. Exhale, give yourself a hug. Inhale, open the arms. Exhale, cross them the other way around. Open your arms as you inhale, and then cross them in front of you for eagle arms. You can simply put your hands on your shoulders or press the palms or the back of the palms together. Keep your shoulders down and lift your elbows a little higher, stretching the back, the shoulders. Release your arms, inhale, lift the chest. And exhale, switch the cross of your arms. Find the variation that works on this side and breathe there. Shoulders stay down, away from the ears, and try to lift the elbows a little higher. Release your arms, inhale to lift your chest one more time, and exhale, release. Give your shoulders a little shake. We will move to the lower body now. Take your feet out wide, bend into your left knee, send the hips back, chest forward. finding the stretch on the inner thighs and groin here. Come back to center, bend into your right knee, find the stretch there. And we will keep moving side to side a few more times. Sit just as deep as it feels good on your body, without forcing it too much into the stretch. One more time on each side. Straighten your legs, turn your right foot out so that the toes are pointing forward, and turn your back foot a little in so that the heels are in one line. Bend into your right knee, place your forearm down on the thigh, and reach your left arm up and over the head for side stretch. You can simply stay here or add a few shoulder circles if you feel like your shoulders need a little more stretch. You might feel this pose a bit more on the side of the body or also on your hips, inner thighs, groin. Come up to standing and turn to the other side. Left foot out, left knee bent, right arm reaches up and over. Or shoulder circles if you did it on the other side. Come up to standing, turn your feet back in so that they are parallel to each other, hands on the hips. With inhale, lift your chest, lengthen the spine. Exhale, bend halfway down. Take one more inhale, lengthen the spine again. And exhale, bend forward all the way down. Bring your hands to your shins, ankles, or down to the floor. Try to relax your upper body here as you stretch your legs. If there is any movement that you like to add, you can do that, like bending a little more in one knee, then another, or shifting the hips side to side. Let's add a twist here. Bring your left fingertips to the center, kind of underneath your face. Reach your right arm up, twist into the right, and if it feels good on your neck, look up to your upper hand. Lower your right hand down, lift your left arm, twist into the other side. And release this hand down. Heel to your feet closer together, bend your knees and roll up to standing. Head comes last. So we only have ankles left. Shift your weight into left leg. Lift your right foot up. Leg can be straight or bent. And begin to roll your ankle. A few times in each direction. Then flex and point your foot a few times. And repeat on the other side. Left foot up, rotate your ankle, switch direction, and flex and point. And release your foot down. Let's take one more big breath together. Inhale, circle your arms up. Exhale, bring the palms together in front of your chest. And put a big smile on your face. I hope you enjoyed this little full body stretch. I wish you a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye!